Assalamualaikum everyone. So Samsung have now been a strong member of the mid-range sections thanks to their A series. They are now producing such phones in this segment which nearly checks all the boxes of the user who can't afford their high-end flagship. So the best of this year's A72 is a no-brainer as well. Before starting off, I must admit the fact that before this year there used to be quite a difference between the A5s and the A7s lineup, but not this time anymore. The Galaxy A72 gets a bigger screen and a battery, a zoom camera on the back, but it's otherwise pretty much the same as the Galaxy A52. As far as the specs are concerned, those specs include the highlights such as stereo speaker, Snapdragon 720G chipset, IP67 water and dust resistance, an AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and a 64MP main camera with optical image stabilization. The zoom camera on A72 is, according to Samsung, the same sensor as one found on the Galaxy S20 FE. It's capable of 30x digital zoom, and picture quality in my experience is similar to that offered by the S20 FE. With the right amount of lighting, you get good results till 10x magnification, even if the photos aren't very sharp past 4x or so. The Galaxy A72 also has a macro camera, so technically it's a phone that can both capture objects that are really close to it or those that are really far, which can't be said for any other Galaxy phone. A72 battery is slightly higher than the A52 with 5000 mAh, which doesn't bring a lot of difference, but still, these phones will never let you down as far as battery life is concerned. Mind you, this is the 90Hz refresh rate enabled, which makes it very impressive as you don't need to disable one of the phone's best features to get great battery life. Included inside the box is a 25-watt fast charger. Let's talk about one last thing here, is the processor. In my opinion, there must have been a difference between the both A52 and the A72. I'm not saying the 720G chipset is bad, but it could have been something a lot higher, but still gets the job done. Day-to-day tasks and multitasking is on point. Overall, a true blend of design, specs, camera make this a good choice who considers Samsung ecosystem as their priority, as 3 years of major upgrades have been promised by Samsung. We will meet you in just another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Peace.